Hi, this video provides information about brand new software which can be easily implemented in schools and sport clubs to assess the aerobic fitness of children and adolescents. My name is Stefan Kulimechkov and I'm a registered scientist in the UK as well as a certified exercise practitioner. I'm delighted to announce that our new software, designed as part of my PhD study, is now available online. Cardiorespiratory fitness is one of the components of physical fitness and is a key health indicator for children and adolescents. There is strong evidence from recent studies which allows us to conclude that a higher level of cardiorespiratory fitness both in childhood and adolescence is associated with a healthier cardiovascular profile and with a lower risk of developing cardiovascular diseases in adulthood. The criterion for measuring cardiorespiratory fitness is the maximal oxygen uptake, or so-called the VO2 max, which provides information about the highest rate of oxygen consumed by the skeletal muscles during physical exercises. The most widely used test for assessing the cardiorespiratory fitness in children and adolescents is a 20-meter shuttle run test, which was created by Luke Ledger in the 1980s. The test is also part of the most widely implemented health-related physical fitness test batteries, and can sometimes be found under different names, such as 20-meter shuttle run test, BEEP test, BLEEP test, multi-stage fitness test, etc. Nowadays, there are a few slightly modified protocols of the test which are described in scientific literature, but the Ledgers et al. Original 1-minute protocol is recommended. Now, I would like to present to you our new software, which was especially created to administer the 20-meter shuttle run test in order to assess the cardiorespiratory fitness of children and adolescents by applying up-to-date international norms. And here it is, BEEP Shuttle Junior. This software can be applied for health and fitness screening, profiling, and monitoring in schools and clubs. You can easily find BEEP Shuttle Junior on Google, and you can download the demo of this software, which allows you to use all of the functions, but which covers only a small part of the test. If you would like to use the fully activated version, you can purchase this software at the special promotion price of £30. We created BEEP Shuttle Junior to make the administration and the assessment of the 20-meter shuttle run test a lot easier. It provides immediate assessment of cardiorespiratory fitness by using audio and visual signals and calculates and assesses the results such as the predicted VO2 max and percentile scores of individuals between the ages of 6 and 18 in accordance with comprehensive international norms. There has never been an easier way to assess the aerobic fitness of young students at your physical education classes or your training sessions. You can create or edit the list of the participants by using the Add, Edit or Remove buttons. Height and weight are not compulsory, so you can run the test without them. But the age and gender have to be filled in order to start the test. Select the students you want to test and then click Go to Test. You can then start the test by clicking the Start button. During the test, children run between two lines which are 20 meters apart. in time with an audio signal, and the test finishes when a child fails to reach the end line simultaneously with the audio signals from the software on 2 consecutive occasions. Otherwise, the test ends when a child stops due to fatigue. Beep Shuttle Jr. implements the original 1-minute protocol, which starts at a speed of 8.5 km per hour and increases by 0.5 km per hour each minute. The strength of this software, in comparison to any other similar apps on the market, is that it computes the predicted VO2 max for each individual in accordance with their gender and age. In addition to that, the software calculates the percentile score of each participant and classifies it according to gender-specific and age-specific international norms. Another feature is that the maximum heart rate at the end of the test of any child can be added manually for additional information. After the end of the test, click Accept. The Beep Shuttle Jr. provides information relating to the duration of the test, current stage and shuttle, distance achieved, speed, VO2 max represented in milligrams per kilogram per minute, VO2 max percentile score, and VO2 max rating. The results can easily be saved to a file or moved to an Excel spreadsheet for further graphs and analysis of the tested group. From the Settings section, you can personalize your software, change the signals, and add notes. There is a VO2 max calculator available as well. For further information, visit our website www.stk-sport.uk.